Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are doing good. I am your science teacher of grade 7. Open your books, page number 5. Today the topic which we will discuss is disorders of the digestive system. Means when there is a problem in digestive system, which problems or which diseases are caused. First one is indigestion. Second is ulcer. Indigestion. Indigestion means when there is no proper breakdown of food or no proper digestion. Ulcer. Ulcer is actually break in the surface of an organ inside the body that does not heal. Indigestion. Indigestion may be caused if too much gastric juice is produced. This can happen if a person does not eat regularly or eats food too quickly. Indigestion. How indigestion is caused? It's caused if too much gastric juices is produced in stomach. So it can cause indigestion. But if a person does not eat regularly or eat food too quickly, it can also cause indigestion. Indigestion can cause diarrhea. Indigestion tablets or liquid are taken to ease the pain. First thing, it can cause diarrhea. What do you mean by diarrhea? Diarrhea means loss of watery feces. Loss of watery feces. Indigestion tablets or liquid are taken for this diarrhea. They help to neutralize the acid. Not eating enough roughage can cause constipation. Now, this indigestion tablets can neutralize the acid. If you not eating enough roughage, it can also cause constipation. Constipation means inability to expel the feces. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables can help relieve constipation. How we can recover constipation? For this, we can eat fresh fruits and vegetables. In severe cases, medicines called laxatives can be taken. These medicines should be advised by doctor to eat for constipation. Second is ulcer. Ulcer, as you know, that it's a break in the surface of an organ inside the body that does not heal. If acids and enzymes eat into the stomach wall, the result is a stomach ulcer. This can be extremely painful. People with ulcer should avoid spicy food. They can be given medicines to protect the stomach lining. People with stomach ulcers are advised to include eggs and milk in their diet so that the lining of the stomach can be repaired. Now, ulcer. It can, if acids and enzymes eat in the stomach wall, the result is a stomach ulcer. This ulcer is extremely painful. People with ulcer must avoid spicy food. This can be also recovered by taking medicines, or they must eat eggs and milk. They can include eggs and milk in their diet. That can repair the stomach lining. If there is a break in the surface of an organ, it can repair by eggs and milk. It's enough for today. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.